Other than me getting gapped, I'm making this video about my current situation. My damn muffler fell off. It actually fell off while cruising on the highway and it got ran over. So while I'm waiting for a replacement, I went ahead and got a cheap temporary one installed. So I'll just add a couple of clips of how it sounds at the end and let me know what you think in the comments below.
I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional. Thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love. Can't get enough. 'Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king size